welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today we are going to be doing some cheesy queso. Queso is really good with just, nachos with tortilla chips as a snack, but I want to show you how to do it with a cashew based cheese sauce. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Wait, make sure you subscribe because I have lots of other great videos coming your way, so you don't want to miss out. Okay? All right, let's hop into it. To get started, I'm going to take my soaked or boiled cashews, and then I'm going to add some mustard powder, garlic powder, onion powder, some smoked paprika, salt, and pepper to that in my blender. And then I'm also going to be adding some lemon juice and some nutritional yeast. And I'm going to add some water. You could also do veggie broth, either one is fine, and I'm just going to blend that up. Now, just so you guys know, this is the same base of cashew cheese that I use for my mac and cheese. So if you guys seen that video, this step should look similar and familiar to you. So the next step is optional. You can add some cheddar cheese shreds. You don't have to. The recipe is just as great without them, but if you want to add them in, this would be the time to do that. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil and the rest of that water, and I'm going to blend this up so that it reaches a looser consistency. You don't want it too loose, but you want it loose enough. So let me show you guys what consistency that you're looking for when you're making your cheese sauce. Next, I'm going to show you what ingredients that I'm going to add to this cheese sauce to actually make it into queso. So the first thing that I'm going to add is some jalapenos. Of course, you want to add as many or as little as you desire in terms of heat. I'm also going to add in some salsa. Now, as far as the salsa goes, for every about 2 cups of cheese sauce that you have, you want to add about a cup of salsa, and you want to give that a nice stir so everything is mixed very well. And it's simple as that. That's pretty much it for your queso. So to serve, I highly recommend warming up your cheese sauce before you serve it. So all I'm going to do is just build some nachos so you guys can see how amazing this queso is. I know you can't taste it, but from the looks of it, hopefully you can kind of get an idea of how amazingly great it is. For these nachos, I'm just going to use some tortilla chips, some tomatoes, some onions, the queso, some black olives, some more jalapenos, and some cilantro. And that's pretty much it. But you can always use some vegan beef grounds or Beyond Meat or Impossible Burger or any like beef substitute or chicken substitutes. Even shredded jackfruit would be amazing on top of these. Like, get creative, but these taste amazing. Now look at this completed plate of nachos. I don't know about y'all, but I definitely am ready to dig in. All right, so tell me what you think of this queso. You see how easy that pours and drizzles over those nachos? Oh my gosh. So it tastes so good too. So I can't wait for you guys to try it out. Make sure you drop me a comment below. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss out on any more great videos, which I highly advise you don't miss out, okay? Make sure you subscribe and turn that bell on. Thanks for watching.